Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Long time no chat, but I wanted to come on here and unbox. I kind of already cheated and took them out of the box, but unbox these new Jlab headphones. These are the newest ones. They are round. The other ones are oval. These are the Jlab Go Luxe ANC wireless on-ear headphones. So what does it come with? The headphones themselves. Look how cute they look. Okay, I have to take them off because I can't hear anything with them on. They're like noise canceling. Comes with the charger. You still need a block though. And then the quick start guide. So let's go ahead and read through this. Hybrid active noise cancellation up to 30 dB plus be aware. Immersive lab quality sound via 40 mm drivers. Cloud foam ear cups and headband for ultimate comfort. Like these things are, look at that. So poofy. And then this is what they're talking about here on this like headband piece. It's super squishy. Also, I want to show you this. They fold up too for like super easy storage. Okay. And then it says customize your sound experience via the Jlab app, built-in lab spatial audio. Lab share your audio to compatible Jlab headphones. Connect to any 2 devices with Bluetooth multi-point. And then easily connect with Windows PC. Clear calls with noise canceling mics. And then let's see, that's it. So cloud foam ear cups, headband, 70 plus hours of playtime. It says 40 plus hours ANC on, and then universal mic with volume plus minus track control power on and off. And then this is a Type-C charging cable. They're super cute. They come in all these different colors. There's black, like this off-white color. They have like this green color, and then they have a purple. All right, so to pair up, all you have to do is press and hold the button for 8 seconds. When released, the light will flash. So over here, oops, side, there's like the volume plus and minus, and then there's a little button right here. You're just gonna press and hold that, and then it'll flash and turn on. And then you'll go to your phone, which obviously I can't do right now because I'm talking to you guys, and then just enter the Bluetooth settings and go to Jlab Go Luxe ANC, and it pairs like that. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at the volume. It says here, if you push up, obviously the volume goes up, and then the track can go forward or backwards. And then over here, it's play, pause, answer, or hang up. You can, if you push it for 1 second, it rejects the call. 3 seconds, it's the power button. 8 seconds, Bluetooth pairing. Or if you push it twice, then it's Siri or OK Google. Okay, that's a lot. I have to get used to that. I'm not really using it for much except for just to listen to audiobooks right now. And then there's this other button that says NC on it, and that's for noise control. So if you push it for once, it's noise control. And then I guess if you push it, you press and hold it, then it's for music/movie mode. And then if you press it twice, it's spatial audio on or off. Okay, very good. And then get it charged. There's just this little like charging hole right here. And then obviously you need to get your own cube and put it into the wall. And then there's instructions for multi-point and lab share, but it's really easy. I paired it really quickly. Actually, I haven't even charged it since it came out of the box. Oh, and something really fun. It has left and right on here. So you're making sure you put it on the right ear, which I actually have it backwards right now. Yeah, but I think they look super cute. I got it on TikTok. So they were having a major spring sale. I will link them for you on Amazon. And I'll also link my TikTok shop because honestly, they run amazing deals there too. And then you can just like expand it if your head's bigger. I needed to expand it a little bit more so it can go around like my ponytail. And then I just kind of like squish it in. Ah, there we go. Perfect. All right, so if you guys want your own set of these Jlab Go Luxe headphones, I will link them down in the description box. I've been using them for about a week now, mostly just listening to audiobooks and podcasts. I don't do a whole lot of music, but they are pretty noise canceling because my kids were like, you know, mom, and I couldn't hear them, so they had to like come tap me on the shoulder. So definitely be aware if you guys are using these like out in public. I don't want anybody to get hurt. I'm just like hang them around my neck. But I'm just here in the house hanging out with them. But yeah, I would say pretty good quality. If you guys like this unboxing, then give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch y'all next time. Bye.